So again, use the drop down at the top of the table. And this is what we mean by that drop down. You can filter by specific pages within the edit comparisons. Most of the dimensions and sources are here now. It's just that they sort of rearrange the screen. I know it's not ideal. It's what we have to live with for the time being. The day comparisons are actually a little bit easier if we look at them. So last 28 days, if we click on compare, that's relatively simple. And then the comparisons should show up when you appropriately hit the apply button. And there we'll have our metrics data within the totals. So new users, engaged sessions, engagement rate, and so forth.
Looking for ways to make analytics simpler or more effective ways to understand your ad revenue? What if you could consolidate all of your sources of revenue data into a simple, powerful dashboard? You can with Ramp's new advanced yield analytics, with revenue analytics that are simple enough for executives and powerful enough for yield professionals. Dig deep into your data and get insights on user acquisition and demographics, performances of content and engagement, as well as individual bidder performance metrics. Learn more at www.playwire.com/analytics. Or if you're watching on YouTube, click the link below in the description of this video.